going to Ortija. I'm meeting my sister and her family here, and yeah, we're just going to spend the evening together. Meeting here because it's nice and windy and blowy, and it's fresh. Very busy though. So yeah, what I advise everyone to do is to come a little bit earlier than you normally would. So I know that English people eat quite early so they don't have problems, but Italians will set off at about 8:30 and you get into a traffic jam trying to come and find parking. And honestly, there have been times where Massimo and I have set off at 9 and come here at about 9:20, and we've gone round so many times that we have not found parking. It's been a nightmare. And then we've just said, right, that's it, let's just go home. But if you set off early at about 6:30, maximum 7 o'clock, you will find parking. The parking lot was half full, and so you'll be lucky to find parking, and then you'll have no stress. Because Ortija in August is full of tourists and very, very full. Okay, we met up. Finally. How's the weather, Lisa?
Freezing.
Did you bring your coat?
I have my thermals. Your one, I'm gonna get it from you. Is it real?
Yes, it is.
Are you sure? Hello. Hello. Making you cannolo.
You're sold.
Oh my god.
Unfortunately, one of our yuccas, with the weight of the flowers, broke, which is such a shame. It was so pretty when you drive up to see the yucca just behind. There's nothing we could do. Massi's gonna have to cut that right down, unfortunately. So plan today, I think we're just gonna take it easy. I'm gonna take Claudia to have some brekkie at the bar, and I think Massi might want to cut the lawn, so we're just going to take it easy, and then later on we'll go visit my sister in her villa. They are taking their in-laws home today because the in-laws came over for a week, so they're taking them back to Catania. Oh yeah, Catania. So Claudia her flight was delayed because of Etna, the volcanic ash, so they had reduced all these flights into just a few that afternoon. So luckily she was only like an hour late. We were very lucky, and luckily she still landed in Catania, because what can happen is when the volcanic when Etna erupts and all the volcanic ash goes everywhere, sometimes they take you to Palermo or Comiso. And now Palermo is about a 3-hour drive, and that can be really annoying, but they do supply rides. They'll get a coach and put everybody on and pay for that, but it's still a long journey. After you've been up since sort of 5 a.m. in the morning, you just want to arrive. So she was really lucky. We were worried because we were looking and it said that Etna was starting to play up. We know when Etna plays up is when we wake up in the morning and the sky it's like a fog, but it's hot. So we know, okay, Etna's playing up. And it happens quite a lot in the summer. But anyway, all good. She's here. So yeah. Look who's here. They're awake. Go for brekkie.
I bet I'm sweaty.
Well, I actually just arrived yesterday, so So Lisa, what do you think about Sicily in August, being a tourist and also someone who lives in England?
I feel like it's too hot in August. If you did come, you'd have to stay in a villa. You can't stay in like the apartments in Ortigia or Siracusa. It's just too hot. I feel like it's not like where the English people, Brits, go abroad to like staying. Those resorts are all adapted for holiday makers, where it's not like that here. So yeah, I feel
but
like
a lot of houses do have aircon, don't they?
100%. Everywhere's got aircon, but I feel like you need a pool.
Definitely need a pool.
That's my opinion.
And also, you can't just like up and go for a walk at 3 p.m.
No, it's like it's dead everywhere.
Because the locals
The
know.
locals go sleep. But yeah, I mean, look, I feel like probably August is hot. October's nice.
Yeah.
And from May onwards is nice.
Lovely. I think once, have you ever come in June?
No.
It's because you've got the kids and you have to come when the kids are on holiday.
I've been in May, I've been in October, and I've been in December, but I always come August.
Because of the kids being
So
on holiday.
hot.
Yeah. So you're struggling, aren't you, with the heat?
Yeah. I feel like it's really hot.
So which
Just
month?
to do normal stuff like shopping and
Yeah.
going to the supermarket, it's just so hot.
So you understand how us locals feel.
Yeah.
But listen, what would be the best month to come if you had to?
May.
May. Okay.
I think May, yeah, end of May.
What are you reading? Are you having fun?
Yes. Yeah.
We're gonna have some
lots of fun.
have lots of fun
Yes.
with Charlie. Okay, we're gonna have some lunch now. All right.
Okay. We are cooking.
So we had lunch all together, which was lovely. Now everybody is resting. Massimo and I decided to come to the Lighthouse, which is just over there. He's got his drone out and he wants to take some footage here. It's so hot, but very beautiful. Unfortunately here you can't go for a swim, so if anyone does come up to this part of Plemedio where they see the signs for the lighthouse, you can't swim here. It's a big drop. By the way, check out the interview with Live in Italy magazine on YouTube, and make sure you subscribe to their channel because she has amazing interviews. Good morning. So this morning I have to pick the almonds because they are ready, and then I have to prune the almond tree. So this is what I've picked so far. Incredible. And this is nothing. I still have to get on that ladder and pick the rest. And I'm doing this early in the morning because it's cooler. So the locals pick the almonds like they do the olives, with long sticks, and they bash the tree. But because I've only got one tree, it's useless. Plus I don't want to then have to pick them all off the ground, if you know what I mean. I'd rather just do one job. Pick them, put them in the bag, and that's it, I'm done. Okay, so I got these so far. There's still loads more on the tree, but the insects were biting me. So I'm going to leave that till Massi when he finishes talking to the ex-owner next door.
Okay, so we started a project which has gone in pause from a couple of months ago. Well, the gate project. So I put the electric gate, we redone the walls. I've got to do some finishing touches. So we haven't painted it yet. On the top here, as you can see, we're putting like a little hat on there. So that lampshade's getting changed as well. So I have to put the hat on first on each side of the column. So I went online, we found this little, it's a tile, which is going to be stuck to the wall. We still need to work out where, so it's probably going to be there. So it's probably going to go up here, which is actually not a bad plan.
Yeah, I like that there. Because I think this wall here is busy with the...
Yeah, it's got the
intercom and what have you.
So I might want to actually do that over there like that, maybe.
Yeah, I think that's nice over there.
That height, so yeah, we'll get out to do that. This is something that I need to do some finishing touches to. I'm not going to get it all done today, but
no. It's just been so hot, hasn't it? And plus we've had problems with these little hats, and you've had to make them yourself in the end.
I've actually casted them myself.
You're so clever.
Molded them out.
Yeah. So, yeah, very cute. I'm going to let that dry.
So the boss lady says I need to make things straight, make sure they come on straight. I knocked 2 nails in. She almost had...
I almost had a heart attack.
I had to knock the nails in, obviously, to get it straight.
And I'm just casually sitting in the boot of the car, observing. Now it's going to be hard to try and get it all to fit because the actual column itself isn't completely straight, and the measurements are all different, so you have to custom make it. But let's see what happens. Okay, so the little tops are on now. Massi's cutting just the plastic bit on top so we can put the lanterns up. We still got to plaster, as I said. We still have to plaster them because they're a little bit rough, and then we're going to paint them. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Well done, Mas, they're looking good.
Okay, I know I look good.
That too. So you're just patching up the edges now, yeah?
Yeah, I'm filling in the empty space.
And then the broken edges?
They will get plastered close.
Okay, Mas, are you satisfied with what you've done?
It makes it different, doesn't it?
It does make a big difference.
Yeah, I've got to go in now. It's really hot.
Yeah, it's really
I've
hot.
rushed through it, so I've had to plaster it. I can't do it now. It's too hot.
You haven't plastered it?
No, I have to plaster it.
Yeah.
And it's too
Okay.
hot. I'm going in now.
Go do that on another morning, early morning. It's already like 11 o'clock. Ooh, So we all decided to go eat at the restaurant where Massi works and just get together and spend a good family evening together, which was great. What are you eating?
Pizza with mozzarella, pistachio, and burrata. Burrata. Frankie? Diavola. Lisa?
Alla norma.
Alla norma, very nice. And me? Che mangi, Rosy?
Io cosa mangio? Oro di bronca.
Wow. Lola, what are you eating? Salad. And as promised, here is the footage that Massi took at the Lighthouse in Plinirio when we decided to go out for a walk while everybody was resting. Some beautiful scenes here, so we're going to leave you with these scenes. Hope you had a really good week. Hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you next week with a brand new one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a little look at our Patreon page. Alla prossima! Ciao!